So guys, today we will talk about let, make, have or get. Yes. The following is a mini tutorial on the use of the causative verbs let, make, have and get. Let, form, let plus person plus verb. Use, the construction means to allow someone to do something. For example, John let me drive his new car. Will your parents let you go to the party? I don't know if my boss will let me take the day off. Make. What is form? Make plus person plus verb. And what is use? The construction means to force someone to do something. For example, my teacher made me apologize for what I had said. Did somebody make you wear that ugly hat? She made her children to do their homework. If I talk about have, what is form? Have plus person plus verb. And what is use? This construction means to give someone the responsibility to do something. For example, Dr. Smith had his nurse take the patient's temperature. Please have your secretary fax me the information. I had the mechanic check the brakes. And now we will talk about get. What is form? Get plus person plus to plus verb. What is use? This construction usually means to convince to do something or to trick someone into doing something. For example, Susie got her son to take the medicine even though it tasted terrible. How can parents get their children to read more? The government TV commercials are trying to get people to stop smoking. Get versus have. Sometimes get someone to do something is interchangeable with have someone to do something. But these expressions do not mean exactly the same thing. For example, I got the mechanic to check my brakes. At first, the mechanic didn't think it was necessary, but I convinced him to check the brakes. I had the mechanic check my brakes. I asked the mechanic to check the brakes. Is it? Thank you so much.